Welcome to my empty apartment tour in New York. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I am in New York City. So if you didn't know, now you know. This is my empty apartment tour. Also, there's no lights in the apartment. No lights at all. This is the natural light in the apartment. I'm so happy. Moved in February 1st. I'm filming this on February 3rd and hopefully I get this out next week. So incredibly excited about being here and getting to film a New York apartment tour. This is all mine. This is my apartment. This is a 1-bedroom apartment in Midtown East, very close to Upper East Side. And I really wanted an area that is a lot more calm and quiet as opposed to downtown, but easily accessible to downtown. I wanted to be walkable to Central Park and just have all these amenities like a grocery store and the gym right at my fingertips, which I have in this space, and I'm so thankful for it. We have to talk about the process of getting here because, guys, hold on tight. I literally saw this apartment with my own eyes for the very first time when I moved in on February 1st. I was in San Francisco, so I could not fly to New York every single time I wanted to see an apartment. I needed to have all this information, right? So get a broker if you're thinking of moving to New York. And she told me that you don't really find things until the month of your move. She sent me this listing and 4 other listings on January 5th. I looked at the first apartment in that list. I really liked it. I applied 2 days later. I got approved the very next day and I signed on January 12th for a February 1st move-in. So that gives you a little indication of how quick this process is. It is quick. New York is quick. I'm here for it. I saw pictures and she showed me it via FaceTime. Now just being here is so surreal. The rent is $2,500 for everything that is in this apartment and the location and the fact that it is a 1-bedroom in Manhattan in a very good area. That is a good price. Before anybody in the comments wants to say anything, everything is on my own. No one is funding me, no one is paying for anything. I worked my ass off to be able to save money for almost a year to be able to make this move. This is all me, this is my accomplishment, and I'm very proud of it. Let's get into the apartment. Yes, there's broker fee and it's usually 15% of the yearly rent, which is definitely a pretty penny. That is why I really emphasize saving. Save up a bunch of money, okay? Because you're gonna need it. You also need 40 times the rent to be able to even qualify for New York apartments. I got a moving company, Roadway Moving. Hopefully it gets here by the 15th. We will see. On January 1st, I hadn't even looked at an apartment yet. I had to just lean into that stress and just know that everything was gonna work out. That's on lucky girl syndrome. If you are new here though, please subscribe because there's gonna be so much super fun New York City content. Okay, we are going to live it up, especially because I'm paying so much money. I'm going to make sure that I am doing all the New York vlogs and I'm showing you guys places that I love and I'm taking hot girl walks. So if you're coming across me for the first time, hi, welcome, and I hope you stay well. All right, let's get into this tour. Right now we are in the entryway space. Right here is the call box, which is so nice to buzz people up and deliveries and packages. And right here immediately is the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. Here's a mirror. What's nice is there's storage. I do have some stuff in here already, but there is storage behind the mirror, which is nice. This is a good size sink for 1 person. And then there's storage below. And then here's the toilet. It is pretty narrow, but again, for 1 person, completely fine. Here's a rack for towels. I do have stuff in the shower. Here's the shower. So it's really for one person and it's a standing shower. I'm gonna get a new shower head, a window. I can open it all the way up to get some fresh air. Definitely is on the smaller side, but obviously we are in New York and that is completely understandable for New York. Look at this nice light that you see. The light is off right now, but you can see that there's nice natural light coming in from the bathroom. Now we are in the entryway space. This is definitely a bonus space of the apartment, which I'm very thankful for. This is a space that is honestly bigger than the bedroom. I plan to do so much with it. Right here, we have a big window. Every single room has a window, which is nice. Like, look at that nice light coming in right now. And we can open it and close it so to get fresh air. These two cabinets actually came with the apartment. This came and then this came. So right now they're just here. I'll probably be using him just for a little bit and then getting my own. There's a nice wall right here, which I plan to put a vanity here. I'm gonna mount a mirror. Here will be the dining area, so very excited about that. Like, there's honestly so much floor space to work with. I'll put art on the wall. I'm very excited to curate every single space. Another cool thing about this unit is that it came installed with these double doors that are easily openable and closable. That is such a treat because I can really divide each space. There's multiple true spaces, right? There's the entryway space that can be closed off when I have guests. You can just open it up like this. You have it. There's so much more space, and then there's more light that comes in. I love it. Now we're coming into the kitchen. I personally love that every space in the apartment has its own true room. The kitchen is its own little cubby space. You literally get light from every single angle, which is, again, very rare. There is cabinet space up here, also cabinet space up here. The last person who lived here installed this, which is actually a pretty long space. That will be good for storing things. Brand new fridge, which is so nice. Never had my own fridge. It's like, I don't even know what to do with all of the space. It's definitely perfect for one person. A lot of one bedrooms historically have a mini fridge, and I cannot. I need a full-size fridge. I'm excited that this one came with one. I am actually gonna get another little counter for more counter space. Storage below, which is actually really big storage, which is great. We have a gas stove, an oven. We're gonna utilize this space with some counter space. The trash can I'm getting is gonna fit perfectly right here. Let's talk about the floor. I do love a really cool eclectic style floor. I've never had one. I'm excited that I have one in this space. Now we have the living room. This is definitely the biggest space of the apartment by far. I have personally never had a living room ever in my life. Absolutely so happy that I have a space like this. I will be putting a TV right here, bar cart. I'm going to have a couch right here. I'm going to have prints, wall art all over here. I'm gonna have a desk, and I have a large mirror. It's gonna be great. Hardwood throughout the apartment, which is also super nice. There's a lot of room to work with for one person, and I'm really thankful that in Manhattan, because this is exactly where I wanted to live. Oh my gosh, look at this light. There's no lights on in the apartment. Here is the bedroom. This is 6 by 10 feet, so it is on the smaller side. However, I definitely wanted a space that will just be for sleeping. I'm standing at the doorway right now. Here it is. And then we have one window right here. I want the bed right here. There's 2 outlets right there. And then here's the closet. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I had these mirrors as well, sliding mirrors for the closet. There's extra storage on top, which is nice, and it goes pretty far back. Here's me inside the closet, this bracket, and then I'm gonna get another closet rod here so that I have double the amount I can put in here. Definitely going to get creative with the space in the bedroom, my queen bed, and a few other things. This is the natural light coming in to the room right now. It's beautiful.